Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related, I got you covered. Today's video is a request. I recently reviewed the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. This stuff is amazing. If you have not got it, I know it keeps selling out. Buy it because it's good. I believe it's now available at Ulta and I think Target. So if your local Target has it, I'm telling you to jump on it. Anyways, I was asked to compare the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glotion and compare it to the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. That is a mouthful on this product. So in this video, I'm going to compare it. We're going to quickly hit a couple of points. I'm going to try it on my face and we'll come to a conclusion. So for starters, both of these products retail for about the same price. They're about $15 each. L'Oreal has 1.35 fluid ounces. And the Halo Liquid Glow Filter has 1.06 ounces, fluid ounces. So this one has a little bit more, which is crazy because it doesn't look like it, but it does. Packaging wise, glass jar, doe foot applicator, squeezy tube. Honestly, I prefer this kind of a packaging because you can just kind of squeeze it out and less cross-contamination. But I'm not mad at this packaging either. It's beautiful. You can control how much product you get out. Shade-wise, I'm going to be comparing shade medium. And I have to see what the medium looks like because I don't really remember. I don't know which this one is going to be most comparable to. I almost feel like the number 2 might be it. The other ones start to run a little bit deeper. Maybe this one. I don't know. We're going to see. But for starters, let's open this one. I'm going to use shade 4. Again, like I said, it comes in this beautiful glass jar. The product comes out like this. I'm going to dot that on the back of my hand. Then I'm going to take L'Oreal and I'm going to squeeze about the same amount. Colors are not a match. I'm telling you that right now. As I'm looking at it. So I'm going to come in close. This is the e.l.f. The e.l.f. one, as I'm kind of rubbing it, has a nice, almost like a moisturizer consistency. You can see it has a lot of glow. And there's definitely coverage there. Now I'm going to take the L'Oreal one. It feels a lot thinner in texture. So a lot thinner in texture. Both have a beautiful glow, but I have to say that the e.l.f. one definitely has more of that metallic glow, more of that so the e.l.f. one definitely has more of that metallic glow. It definitely rivals that Flawless filter from Charlotte Tilbury. I think it's definitely more of a dupe for that. These two, consistency-wise, are not the same. They have a beautiful metallic reflection, but I definitely think, like I said, I know I'm being redundant, I'm sorry. The e.l.f. one has a little bit more. So now we're going to apply it to my face. As I blended them both out, the color looks a little bit better. So I'm going to actually compare both shades on my face. So I'm going to just pull my hair back. And I'm going to just apply it to my face. So I'm going to work with shade 4 in the e.l.f. Just going to dot some on my hand. And I'm going to go straight into my face. So I'm going to take that. Now you can see I have some redness on my cheek. I definitely feel like this e.l.f. one has some coverage to it. As I'm applying it to my face, it feels very moisturizing, and I did not prep my skin before, and this is just going on straight bare skin. Let's see. I'm going to take that to my forehead and blend it out. And just under my eyes, because it's going to bounce some light back. So that is one layer, and as I'm turning my face, you could see that there is a glow. I'm going to take the Glotion. That one I'm going to apply a little bit more of because, like I said, it's a thinner consistency. I'm going to just Switch fingers. Now again, I have red on this face too. It's definitely covering some of that red, but I can still see my Keratosis pilaris kind of peek through. This one has more of a watery kind of consistency. Again, it's thinner. So we're going to compare how this sits on top of texture as well. I'm a little bit flaky on the sides of my nose, so I'm going to use that to my advantage today to show texture and dry skin. I'm going to go in on this side with my L'Oreal. And I'm going to take a little bit of that e.l.f. one. Just a teeny bit, guys. This one, a little bit goes a long way. All right, and let's come close. Oh, you know what I didn't do? I did not take this underneath my eye like I did the other one, so let me do that. All right, let's come in close so we can see what we are working with. All right, first of all, shiny, dewy. Shiny, dewy. Now, texture. Let me turn this light a little bit. See how it's sitting on top of my Keratosis pilaris? I don't think it's like accentuating any kind of texture, but it's not covering it as much either. Now on this side, I was red here. It definitely covered it better. This one sits nicely on the skin too. I almost feel like from far away, they both have a similar glow. What do you guys think? Like, let me know, comment down below, because this is what I'm seeing in the viewfinder, and then I'm kind of just looking at my mirror right here. Yeah, both have a similar kind of glow. The L'Oreal one is definitely moisturizing, but so is the e.l.f. So the main difference that I'm going to say between both of them is going to be that the e.l.f. just provides a little more coverage and the consistency is a little bit thicker. But for not have moisturizing my skin, they both sit really nice. They feel really good on my skin. Not one feels more tacky than the other. And they give a beautiful, beautiful glow. So if I covered or answered your question, let me know. If I didn't, comment down below and I can do like a little short and sort of answer your question that way. But I hope you found this video helpful. And if you have any questions or comments, like I said, feel free to leave them down below. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one.